Welcome back to my channel. This video is a step-by-step guide to create 3 different types of flower balloons. Here is a list of things that you will need. To get started, take one of your 260 modelling balloons. Use the colour that you wish to be your petal colours. Stretch out the balloon, then inflate, making sure to leave about hand's width at the end to ensure that the balloon doesn't burst. Then tie it at the end of the balloon. Use the end of the balloon that you have tied and fold it over, making sure to squeeze the balloon. This will make it more pliable. Then twist and tuck the knot through the middle. Continue to squeeze and fold the balloon in the same way 5 times to create all of your petals. You may need to arrange the petals. When you have your petals in the shape of a flower, twist a few times to secure. Hold whilst you cut off the excess and tie around and knot. You may need to rearrange the petals once again. Take your second modelling balloon and cut it in half. Inflate and tie both ends and place in the centre of your flower. Once you have placed it in the centre of the flower, use the ends to thread through the petals and tie it on the back of the flower, securing with a knot. Start by inflating the 5 balloons you wish to use for your outer petals and secure them together. I find tying 2 or 3 maximum balloons together works best, and then you can slot them in and twist to attach all 5 together. Inflate your 2 middle balloons, making sure this is around half the size of the outer petals, and then tie together. Slot the balloons in between the petals and twist 2 petals to secure. You could use this balloon to tie to a balloon garland or use as a table decoration. Start by blowing up your 5 outer petal balloons as we did in the medium flower tutorial. Then do the same with the centre petals, once again tying in groups of 5. With the larger set of balloons, tie a knot using your fishing wire or balloon ribbon a couple of times around the petals. Place the smaller set of balloons on top and tie the 2 sets together using a figure of 8 motion, and tie a knot to secure. Cut the wire and then repeat on the reverse. Lastly, inflate the 2 middle petals and ensure that they are smaller. Place one of the petals in the centre and tie around a petal from below. Repeat on the reverse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it really helped you out. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my upcoming tutorials.